Most e-commerce failures happen long before launch. They start when the wrong platform is chosen. Today I'll show you the top mistakes businesses make when picking an e-commerce platform and how you can avoid them. At Skynix, we specialize in building e-commerce solutions from Magento to Headless React and enterprise-level platforms. Here are the mistakes we see companies repeat again and again. Mistake number 1. Choosing a platform based on popularity. Many brands choose a platform just because it's popular, but popularity doesn't mean it's right for your business. Some platforms are great for simple catalogs, others are built for heavy customization or B2B logic. Mistake number 2. Ignoring total cost of ownership. People compare platform prices only at the subscription level and forget the long-term costs. The real cost isn't the monthly fee, it's hosting, performance optimization, required apps, development time, and scaling as traffic grows. A cheap platform today can become very expensive tomorrow. Mistake number 3. Not evaluating SEO capabilities. A lot of platforms limit SEO. Fixed URL structures, weak canonical handling, poor control over metadata, or slow page speed. If SEO is important for your brand, you need a platform that gives you full technical control. Mistake number 4. Underestimating performance and scalability. One of the biggest mistakes is ignoring performance. Some platforms struggle with large catalogs, B2B pricing rules, or high traffic. If you plan to grow, choose a platform that grows with you, not one you will outgrow in 18 months. Mistake number 5. Overlooking integrations. Your e-commerce platform must integrate with the rest of your business. ERP, CRM, PIM, shopping, accounting, marketing automation. Many platforms claim they support integrations until you discover that every connection requires hacks or expensive custom work. Mistake number 6. Choosing without a future roadmap. Your platform should match not only your current needs, but the next 3 years as well. Do you plan to go omnichannel, go B2B, expand internationally? If the platform can't support your roadmap, you will end up migrating again. Mistake number 7. No technical validation. Most bad platform choices happen because there's no technical review. A quick consultation with the technical team could prevent months of frustration, unexpected costs, and scaling issues. So what's the correct approach? Before choosing a platform, create a clear requirements map. Catalog size, B2B needs, integrations, SEO priorities, and scaling expectations. Then evaluate platforms based on long-term fit, not short-term convenience. At Skynix, we help companies choose the right e-commerce platform by running a full technical evaluation: performance, SEO, integrations, and business logic. If you want help choosing the right platform for your business, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more e-commerce insights.